Hello, my name is Megan Lazaga, and I'm with MTS. We are an IT consulting and managed service company based in San Antonio, Texas. And I'm here today with John Sheehan, our service management provider. How are you doing today, John?
I'm doing well. Thank you, Megan.
Great. Well, I just wanted to see if you could take a moment to share an overview of our service management practice and tell us a little bit about your experience and expertise.
Sure. Yes, of course. And thank you for having me here today. I have over 25 years experience designing, implementing, and managing IT processes. I hold several ITIL and ServiceNow certifications. With MTS, we offer many different services to assist the customer in understanding what their current state within the ITIL service management platform is, where they envision to be, and how they can achieve a level of success within that vision.
And what is something you think everyone should know when it comes to service management and ITIL?
Oh, well, everyone hears ITIL this and ITIL that, and how their services have to be designed. ITIL should never be considered an all or nothing approach for delivering and managing IT services. ITIL was always intended as a framework and a set of guidelines for optimal best practice service management. But that framework has to be carefully applied to each organization's unique business requirements as well. ITIL and service management are intended to assist in the design and management of IT services while helping to continuously improve them, not supplant them or inhibit them.
What kind of service management tools are out there and what kind of advice do you have for their users?
Well, there are many tools that exist today to help an organization implement or augment their service management processes. Some implement in-house, while most of the new ones are offered as a SaaS or cloud platform. We've worked with organizations before, helping to implement and customize in-house applications like ARS Remedy. But when you talk about the current market leader in cloud-offered workflow applications that enable processes like ITSM, that leader has to be considered ServiceNow, which I myself have a certification in. There are numerous other emerging form-based and workflow-enabling tools that we have worked with, like Jira, for example. Each organization's requirements are unique in which platform best performs or supports their objectives. Though someone like myself has extensive experience in ServiceNow, MTS offers the unique ability to help an organization find the proper skill set to support whatever solution they choose.
What is the value of having an ITSM platform?
Well, having a platform to enable and automate critical IT workflow not only greatly increases the efficiency and value of those workflows, but also helps reduce and eliminate the costs related to issues like loss of production, mistakes, delays, and even improper resource utilization. Whether it's a single-step process like incident management resolution or a complex multi-team workflow like associate onboarding, an ITSM platform like ServiceNow helps ensure consistent, measured tasks are done efficiently. It does take careful work and sometimes a little negotiation to completely define all the tasks and service level expectations. Then it has to be designed, tested, and communicated to the targeted users. But the good news is MTS has done this with very effective results.
And how can MTS help realize the best use of such a platform?
Well, MTS can come in to evaluate the current state of the platform versus what it was intended to be. That is, what was the vision intended for ITIL or business process enablement, where the realization of that vision currently is, and what still needs to occur in order to realize it. We would look at the underlying processes themselves, as well as any gaps or opportunities for enabling or even improving on those processes and others utilizing the platform. We also have extensive experience in setting up and utilizing the powerful reporting capabilities that these platforms can provide, like performance analytics on ServiceNow. We can bring valuable experience enabling functionality like notification, escalation, or automated task assignment when enabling those workflows. MTS can also facilitate integrating a platform like ServiceNow with back office applications like Active Directory, ERP, or HR. There's also opportunity to integrate with software development activities like release management or defect tracking, something that ServiceNow does for its own platform. With MTS, we can help augment staff required to implement, enhance, upgrade, or support some of these platforms like ServiceNow. MTS can open up a world of possibilities with your platform.
What are some tips or tools that MTS brings for effective service management workflow tools?
Well, while there's obviously great value in licensing and utilizing a powerful platform like ServiceNow, it is not an inexpensive solution. If implemented or utilized incorrectly or incompletely, that platform and the processes it enables could be viewed as ineffective. We at MTS know the traps and pitfalls that can derail those efforts to implement and rely on an ITSM platform. We have assisted in such areas as platform implementation, gathering the requirements, the whole who, what, when, and how it's going to be done, process workflow mapping to get those undocumented requirements and gaps, license and vendor management. You have external implementers sometimes, and knowing the license structure and who needs it and how you scale it is an important area to concentrate on. And obviously continual improvement. How do we make it effective, take full advantage, and let it grow?
Now, if a company would like to learn more about these services, what should their next steps be?
Well, you can visit our website at morristechnologysolutions.com. There you'll see information to email us or call us. You can also visit and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn and get in touch with us from those platforms. On all these sites, we'll occasionally publish videos and articles by some of our folks, like myself, that you might find informative or helpful.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Megan.